Hey, it's Bryan with Abound Web Design here with another Squarespace tutorial for you. Today we're going to be talking about how to change the shape of your image blocks. This is something that's built right into the editor in Squarespace for image blocks, and it's super easy to use, but I'm going to show you exactly how to use it and all of the possibilities with these shapes in your image blocks. Let's head over to my screen and I'll show you how to do that right now. Okay, so we're here on my demo website and I'm just going to go straight into edit mode here and scroll down to, let's go here. We'll add a section right here. We'll just do a blank section and we'll add a block, add an image block, and then just kind of move it to the center here and get it evened out. Okay, and then we'll click the pencil and click the plus to add an image, and let's just browse the stock images, and this one's kind of cool, so we'll get it added. Give it a second to load up here, and then all right, so I'm going to move this. We can move that, drag it around the screen, the editing window for the image, and we're going to go into design, and you'll see you have fit, you have fill, but then you have shape. So we're going to click on shape, and it automatically goes to a circle. But then if we click on the arrow right here, you'll see it goes to all different kinds of shapes for different aspect ratios. You have 1 to 1, you have 2 to 3, and you have 3 to 2. And so you can just click through some of these different ones and see what you think. You can go to the different aspect ratios and just kind of see what goes with the design and the look of your website. And then once you find something that you like let's say this, all right, well then you can go back, and what you can do is actually, you see how that has a lot of space on both sides there. You can actually stretch it to fit the block. So if you don't have that on, and let's click off there, and then now we grab the fill handles here to stretch this out, it's still, no matter, you're going to have all that space on both sides. But if you go back into the pencil here, let's move this over again, you go into design and you stretch, then it goes to the edges of the block. It fills the block up with that shape. And so now you can actually, like if we wanted to make this section a little taller, and then we drag that, and we could even like have it fill that whole side of this section. And then you could come in and put some text over the top of this, or you could keep it in the center, keep it centered up. You could actually make it, you can pull it across and make it be the whole section. Then we could actually, like we could we'll bring the section down a little bit more. And then we could come in and add a text block across the top and actually make it overlap a little bit. And let's say that we have, so what do we want to title this? I'm just gonna make something up here out of the blue here. So it goes, and then let's see, so you can see what I'm typing here. Spaces, deepest, darkest, voids. And then you can make this heading 2, and then you can actually stretch this to fill the block. We could change the color of it. Let to select it, and then change the color of it to match the rest of the site. And then if you wanted to actually drag it down over it a little bit more, and then we save, we exit, and we've got pretty cool look there. One thing else that might make it go a little bit better, edit, and then let's change color of this section Save, exit, go full screen. And that's pretty cool looking. Kind of goes with it. But anyhow, you can just play around with that. Once you find the shapes in the editor and move around, stretch them, leave them unstretched, whatever works best for you. And then, you can have all the fun you want with that. But I hope that helped. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials like this one. And if you'd like me to build your Squarespace website for you, you can find my contact information in the description below.